Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll show you the step-by-step guide of how to sign up for GX Bank. First, go to the App Store and search for GX Bank. And when you find it, just click download. After you download the app, you can go in and register for an account. First, you have to put in your phone number and they will send you an OTP. After that, you will need to create a 6-digit PIN and re-enter the PIN to confirm for your bank account. They will suggest you for a fingerprint login for a faster process, but you can also skip that if you don't feel like it. And lastly, turn on the notification for any updates or transaction or immediate messages. Then you will need to verify your IC or My Card. Just simply open the app, take a picture of the front and back of your My Card or IC. After that, you can do a facial After that, you will need to do a facial recognition just like how you do on your phone. Lastly, you will need to fill in some personal and financial information. And when you're done with that, just click confirm and send it. By the way, I just saw this promotion on the Instagram page where you can get 5% daily interest in the savings pocket if you put your money from the 10th of April to the 9th of May, which is, I guess, their way of saying a Hari Raya promotion, I guess. So don't forget to set your calendar on the 10th of April to get this 5% daily interest promotion. Remember, you gotta put it in the savings pocket and not the normal savings account. So yeah, let's get back to the video. Usually it'll take them a few minutes to go through your profile and they'll get back to you. When your application is approved, as you can see on this page, you can start by setting your preferred name. After you're done with that, you can start depositing money in the bank account via bank transfer by any of the current bank account that you have. Remember, when you deposit 88 ringgit, you'll get free 8 ringgit. And if you registered with now, you'll get another free 8 ringgit. I really hope this video is very simple and can help those who are struggling to sign up for GX Bank. And if you guys really find this to be helpful, please help me like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see what benefits this GX Bank provide, you can head up to my page and look for the video. And until the next one, ciao.